Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Each day this week, I'm reading a selection from the writings of Pope Francis or the speeches of Pope Francis, taken from a book called The Spirit of St. Francis, Inspiring Words from Pope Francis. Today, the title of the selection I will read is called First Witness, Then Words. It was an address given to the young people of Umbria back in October of 2013. And he says this: "Here in Assisi, I seem to hear the voice of St. Francis repeating, 'The gospel, the gospel.' He says it to me as well. Indeed, he says it to me first. Pope Francis, be a servant of the gospel." The gospel, then, this message of salvation, has two destinations that are connected. The first, to awaken faith, and this is evangelization. The second, to transform the world according to God's plan, and this is the Christian animation of society. But these are not two separate things. They form one mission: to carry the gospel by the witness of our lives in order to transform the world. Let us look to Francis. He did both of these things through the power of the one gospel. Francis made faith grow, and he renewed the church. And at the same time, he renewed society. He made it more fraternal. But he always did it with the gospel and by his witness. Do you know what Francis once said to his brothers? He said, "Always preach the gospel, and if necessary, use words." But how? Is it possible to preach the gospel without words? Yes, by your witness. First comes witness, then come words.